Hello, Global Shop Solutions customers. I'm Dusty Alexander coming to you from our headquarters in the Woodlands, Texas. I hope all of you guys are having a great summer and welcome to this week's Know What You Own. Today we're going to take a look at the Enhanced Open Work Order Dashboard ARC 5453, which is available starting in 2016 too. Our great customer Metal Form in New Zealand uses this dashboard as one of their main tools. This dashboard gives them the ability to review open work orders, issue materials, view current status on the shop floor, and whip to finished goods. Tim Henman, the sales and marketing manager at Metal Form, says, for this dashboard, we were using 3 dashboards. Yes, 3 of them, and this has replaced all 3. We believe this will be a huge help in gaining visibility for you. I encourage you to start using this today. Thanks for watching Know What You Own, and have a great week.